Hey everyone, just doing a quick unboxing of my Adams Mystery Trunk Organizer. Never ordered a Adams Mystery Box before, but this was a $99 Cyber Day special. So I thought I'd order one. I've used Adams products in the past. I've always been really happy with them. So full disclosure, I did order a gallon of the window cleaner as well. I believe that's what this box is, so I'm going to open that one up real quick just to make sure. Yep, just the glass cleaner, like I said. So fully expected that. So this will be the mystery box. Again, $99, supposed to get $200 worth of stuff. And at the end, I will go through everything and add it up just to see how much we got. Alright, first thing, Ultra Plush drying towel. I have one of these. They are excellent. Always good to have a second one. This is the trunk organizer that comes standard in this package. So we knew we were going to get that. Sprayers for all the bottles. This looks like an interior detailing brush. I don't have one of those, so that's cool. A tough glass towel. I do not have one of these, so that'll be cool to see how that works. Not sure what this is. It's another microfiber towel. They're not saying what it is, so I'll have to look that up. This is a tire brush or wheel brush. I do have one of these. It's a great brush, so nice to get another one. Ceramic coating spray, very nice. My car is ceramic coated. My daily driver is not, so this will be cool to use on that. That's nice. Mega foam. This is shampoo, obviously. I have not used this before. I've got the Ultra Foam shampoo, so this will be interesting to see how well this works. All-purpose cleaner. I do have this. This is very nice stuff. Works very well. Next, we've got carpet and upholstery cleaner. That's nice. I do use that. Undercarriage spray. I have not used undercarriage spray before, so I'm gonna have to look and see how that stuff works. But if it's anything like Adam's other products, it should be good. And last but not least, the fine grade synthetic clay bar kit. This has 2 bars in it. So that's cool. I do have one of their clay bar kits already, but not this one. I don't think it's the fine, it's the medium, I think. So great. This looks like a great haul. I'm going to add everything up and figure out how much it was, and we'll come back and see what we got. All right, so the all-purpose cleaner was $16.99. The Mega Foam, $16.99. Carpet and upholstery cleaner, $10.99. The undercarriage spray was $12.99. The ceramic spray, $32.99. Trunk organizer itself, that was $39.99. This ended up being a micro silk glass towel. That was $7.99. The Ultra Plush drying towel, that was $34.99. The Tough Glass towel, that was $7.99. And the interior detailing brush, $12.99. The short wheel brush, that was $19.99. And finally, the fine grade clay bar kit was $16.99. So for a total of $231.88. That's at the full price from Adams. So really pretty good haul for $99. Now I did add up on Adams right now all these products, and right now as of today you could get this entire package for $197.89. And remember, Adams always has 15 to 20% discounts that you can get, especially on their liquids. So always watch for those. But overall, very satisfied with the $99 purchase. So thanks, and take it easy.